Hello everybody, welcome to Miss Bobby's Home Cooking. Today I am going to be making an easy fried green tomato recipe. I'm going to start with my already washed and clean, beautiful green tomatoes. I'm going to slice my tomatoes into about a little less than a half an inch each slice. I don't keep the ends. And then of course you can decide if you want to have thinner slices or slices that are a little bit on the thicker side. Here's a tip, make sure your knife is sharp. So here we have our beautiful slices. I'm preparing my oil at 350 degrees. I have put in a bowl my Louisiana New Orleans style fish fry and about a teaspoon and a half of smoked paprika, room temperature buttermilk. Here's my fish fry, which can be used for, of course, frying fish and making cornbread, or you can just be creative with it. I am using it to fry vegetables. Dunk my slices in the buttermilk and in my batter, and then I'm going to place in my hot oil. I'm only going to cook my slices until they are golden brown, a beautiful golden brown. Those look beautiful. And these should be served hot. So here we go. And the music that I'm listening to is Ben Curtis, the Chillest Sunshine. Enjoy. Please leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this recipe. Subscribe, like, and enjoy.